What is up, everybody? So I have a unboxing that I want to do for the channel again, like usual. I know you guys love my unboxings. I got one from Neon Guy Performance. I purchased it through Instagram and I just got it the other day and I'm at the shop, so I might as well go ahead and unbox it really quickly and install it so you guys can see what it looks like mounted to my big front mount intercooler. Pretty big box, and it was shipped via UPS ground, and let's just say I'm not really impressed on their shipping because you can see it is coming out of the package, and there's another spot also right here, and when he dropped it off he actually threw it into my hallway, and I let dude know. And no offense to anybody that works for UPS that's my subscriber or my viewer, but it's just like, come on, yo, I just paid a lot of money for this. Why drop it off and throw it in my doorway? But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open this. So I got my buddy Gene holding the camera, so I do appreciate it, dude. I already opened it, but I obviously wanted to show you guys as if I just received it. And this is how it's packaged. He did package it well, but we all know how, you know, I explained UPS loves to throw things. Now, this is my Neon Guy Performance big front mount intercooler crash bar. And you can see that he went ahead and put something on here, so I want to see what this is. I don't know exactly what's inside, but I told him that I wanted a NGP sticker that's red because obviously Lady in Red Lexi Built is red. Alright. That's just like a thank you. Neon Guy Performance Repair and Fabrication. Thank you for your purchase. The item that I make are 100% hand built in. Not all cars exactly the same. Some minor adjustments may be required to the bars. If you have any issues or comments, questions, I'll leave all that stuff in the description, you guys. But he sent me out a sticker. I love stickers. You guys know that. My toolbox is loaded with them. And what else is in here? Oh, he supplied me with hardware. That's what's up. 4 new bolts. I was gonna have to fish through my bolts to see if I had any new ones. Obviously I do. I've been buying a lot of studs and nuts and bolts and all that goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic wrapper stuff off. Now look at that finish, you guys. He does have a bunch of different colors you guys can go ahead and choose from. So if you guys are interested in going check out his Instagram, the link's in the description. Go follow him and give him a message. Let him know that SkittleFab sent you because he was an awesome dude, and I had to go ahead and make a video of this because I've been dying to get one because I came across his Instagram one day. But look at this. Look at that thing, huh? That thing's dope, right, dude? So I want to go ahead and show you guys pretty much what it'll look like up here. I might have to go ahead and make some adjustments like he said, because it clearly seems like I have to move my pieces over a little bit, but you can see that it's not lining up 100 because I've already crashed my front end a couple times. But that's why I'm getting this instead of putting that ugly stock one on. So I'm gonna have to make some modifications. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna take that big front mount intercooler off and smash things in a little bit. You guys can see this one right here has been compromised a lot. So that's just gonna have to get smashed in a little bit so I can make some leeway room. I can feel that it's pulled out a little bit. So I'm gonna have to do that before I go ahead and mount it.
8 hours later.
All right, my friends. So worked on my car for a lot of hours last night. My buddy left, and then I kept on doing my thing to get this big front mount crash bar up there and settled. I haven't bolted it in yet, obviously, because the big front mount intercooler isn't on there. It's actually right there. I went ahead and I took out the 5 nuts that I had on the 6 studs sticking out of the radiator support. Now you can see that crash bar is now up there. What I want to do is go ahead and take it off, show you guys what I had to do, because like I said, I did get into a car accident a while back. That's more or less why I decided to bring it here. I had to smash in this passenger side frame rail a little bit. That way I could go ahead and, you know, try to maneuver it in there. I used this sledgehammer thingy. I smashed it here and here. That way it could push in a little bit. Take this grind off wheel and you can see where the bare metal is right here. I actually had to grind down metal that were actually popping out. That's why it fits in there so snug. So you can see we have a bolt hole here and we have a bolt hole here. And same on the other side, here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and put my big front mount intercooler back up there. If you guys haven't seen the video where I went ahead and I replaced these studs sticking out of the radiator support, I went ahead and I did a video a long time ago. And it's not that great, but it shows you how I did that. Got my 5 nuts right here. Go ahead and snug them up. So figure out how this is gonna go. Alright, up here, you can see there's some space. I'm gonna try to nudge it down. I want to line this bolt hole up to this bolt hole. And that way I can go ahead and use those bolts. But I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to put a nut in behind here and then put the bolt in there and then compress them together. But I gotta do it with one hand. You can see how perfect that sits right in front of the big front mount intercooler. I'm so impressed on this. Literally, so nice. Look at that. So nice. That literally gives that touch. Now I just gotta worry about upgrading my big front mount intercooler in the future. Obviously we want to have a nice, beautiful front end, and that gives that touch, you guys. If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave his Instagram down in the description, you guys. Go tell him SkillFab sent you. Like I always say, you guys, smash that like button and leave a comment down below. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned.